Understand?
So i-rapture nje yami angeke iyenzakala.
Never.
Umhlaba angeke uphele.
Never. How many false prophets they can tell you ukuthi in Tuesday or Monday they are talking about ukuthi on a 6 o'clock they are going to be a darkness.
Yeah.
You remember? You remember leyo rapture?
Yiyo lento le bakhuluma ngisho lento le mayithenda ku TikTok.
Yeah, ngikhuluma ngayo ukuthi
Yeah.
remember they say on a 6 o'clock on Tuesday they are going to be a rapture la ukuthi umhlaba uzoba mnyama
Yeah.
and bakhala ngo-Enigma.
Yeah.
Mina I can say
Aleyasika le.
I can say ku-Enigma with Mr. Enigma, stop playing with the things of God.
Yeah.
Ungayithuni la idengileyo awuchama.
Yeah.
If you know ukuthi uzoyenza imali indlela yakho yokwenza imali iyenze ngendlela eright, ungayiyenzi ngesiphonga sikaNkulunkulu.
Uyahasila.
Uyahasila uNikma uyahasila.